Hello everyone, welcome back to House of Style. So today's video is going to feature nothing but bob haircut transformations. So we start off with the redhead, who goes from having extremely long hair to a nice bob haircut. So it looks like this one is going to be on an angled. I love her red hair color. I think it's absolutely gorgeous. Absolutely stunning transformation. I don't typically like the waves that the stylists tend to add in the hair, but I think that it looks gorgeous in this particular transformation. So next up, we see a bit of an undercut bob. The stylist is cutting the hair quite short. He does a line designing on the side as well, and she also ends up getting her makeup done. Loving this undercut bob. The lines definitely add some edginess to this side, and is very modern haircut. So next up, we see someone with mid-length hair. So the stylist proceeds to cut the hair to about shoulder length or so. Oh, so he actually ended up going shorter with more of a chin length style bob. She does have an angle, longer in the front, shorter in the back, as well as a center part. Absolutely gorgeous transformation. Love the simplicity with this style. So moving right along, we also see someone with mid-length style hair. So the stylist does cut the hair to about shoulder length. So she does end up getting a middle part with this one, and I would say that this is more of like a shoulder length lob or a longer bob. And there is that wave that the stylist always tends to add. Ooh, I love her eyebrows. They're so thick and full. So the stylist proceeds to cut her long hair into a gorgeous bob. She does have a center part with this one as well. And if you guys didn't already know, the middle parts, center parts are trending at the moment. They were all over the runway, and I am loving this variation. And I will say, I like the fact that the stylist did not add the wave to this particular cut. I think that it looks beautiful straight. So with our next client, she started off with about shoulder length hair, and the stylist proceeds to cut her hair to a neck chin length style bob. She gets her makeup done as well. Gorgeous. She does have a nice bang with this one, and it is kind of more of like a stacked style bob. And then we move on to the next one. She's also getting more of a neck length bob. She does have long full bangs in the front. And the stylist does once again add those waves and curls. This is a beautiful cut. I definitely think that it looks a little bit fuller with the waves. And then next up, we see someone with a bob. She went from blonde to red, loving this hair color. And then if you are curious on how to actually style the bob, this next hairstyle is going to be a feature of that. So she's adding a nice cool bang, or headband rather. I love her pop of purple eyeliner, so fun. And then she's switching it up with a jeweled headband that goes perfectly with her eyeshadow, her eyeliner. So for the next transformation, looks like she's going to be getting an angled bob as well. So the stylist cuts the hair to around neck length. Beautiful, loving this particular cut. No waves, nice full bang in the front, even layers, blunt cut all around. This is an absolutely gorgeous classic bob. And then we see this gorgeous lob. So she does have blonde hair, waves. I love the kind of messy feel that this bob has. Absolutely gorgeous.